Electrical problem Toro 0-turn ss5000.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
A day.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Tested all switches and they all work, getting power back to solenoid but not ground. 4-post solenoid. I started out with mechanical problem and kept turning ignition switch. I fixed that problem but then all of a sudden it wouldn't turn on. Nothing happens when turn the ignition. I checked the fuses, checked the switches, checked wiring and all seems to be good. Changed the solenoid to a new one, still nothing. The bottom poles of solenoid each have wires, blue on left, green on right. When you turn the switch the blue wire gets 12V, the green wire is supposed to be ground but doesn't seem to be getting it. I can directly connect the battery negative terminal to that part of solenoid and it starts right up. Somewhere in the wiring the green wire isn't getting ground. After I jumped it, everything works fine except the blades. When I pull the PTO switch up it doesn't engage the blades. I tested the switch with meter and seems to work right. I'm pretty sure the wiring shows the green wires come from PTO clutch.
Welcome to JustAnswer Small Engines, let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. The green wire should connect all the safety switches, and has to complete the ground for start.
Sounds good, so does that mean a switch is probably at fault? Specifically the PTO switch as the blades won't engage either. I went ahead and ordered one just in case, but didn't know if Terry's some other thing I should be checking.
The green wire should connect all the safety switches, and has to complete the ground for start. Seat switch, arm switches and brake switch as well as the PTO switch, all have to complete the circuit.
Where is the brake switch? That's the only one I haven't tested.
On the frame where the brake linkage can push it.
We did manually release the brake to push it, could that have messed it up? I'll look now. Is it the same as the brake actuator?
So this one has an electric brake actuator? Not sure what it has for a brake switch.
It does have actuator with electric brake that engages when arms are pushed out. Terry's nothing else labeled brake switch on the schematic.
Then there is none. Did you check the wires from switch to switch for continuity?
I did not, I just checked for voltage from battery to each and checked continuity through the switch. I guess I don't know the order of switches, but all the switches have 12V going to them.
Toro is running voltage to the safety switches? Not just completing the ground circuit?
Here's my problem, you're speaking over my head. I touch black on voltmeter and test the harness going to the switch, and it'll say 12V. Then I use the ohm function to test the switch and it shows the switch has continuity. I don't know how to test ground. Black to negative pole on battery I meant.
What is the model number of the unit? I need to see a schematic.
76,430?
76,430?
Toro 76,430 model number. It is a Toro timecutter ss5000. If I put Toro 76430 in Google, it pulls it up.
Do you have a schematic you can attach or link?
Sorry, 74,630. I guess switching the numbers makes a difference, lol. Here. Yay.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.